Hello everybody. Today I'm making a video of refinishing or restaining the coffee table. This table I found on the side of the road. I guess somebody was throwing it out. I drove by it, thought about getting it, and then I said, nah, maybe it's no good. My mind kept telling me, go back and check it out. So that's what I did. I turned around, went back, I checked it out, and I discovered that it had two screws. Somebody had screwed two screws in the top of the table. For what reason, I don't know, but I said, well, I could take the screws out and plug the holes back up. I didn't see much damage on it at first. Looked around it, saw that it was still a pretty good table. So I picked it up and put it in my truck and brought it here to the house. As you can see, right now, I had already stained it, put down a clear coat of polyurethane, but I didn't like how it was coming out, so I resanded it down to the wood best I can get it. So we're gonna try it again. As you can see, it had, I guess whoever had put it out, it got rained on, so you can see the little spots. I guess where the rain had got underneath the finish. I tried the best I could to get it out, but it wasn't working. But it's okay. You can still deal with it. Here's a video I'm trying to pan out so you can see more of the table. Like I said, it's a pretty good table. It's made of all wood. What kind of wood, I don't know. Maybe ash. I'm not sure the wood type. But I'm just making a video showing you what it looked like before. I should have took the video before I put the conditioner on it. Right now you're seeing the shiny, that's the wood conditioner that I use from Mini Wax. Pre-stained wood conditioner. They say it does that. It helps the wood take the stain better. So I'll put that on the table. I say it's going to take about a week or so to get it to where I want it. I want to try to keep the kind of like a little bit lighter than the rest of the table for the tabletop and around the edges. Put a little bit better on the stain color. Pretty bit lighter than the table legs, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna do the whole table or not. Maybe I probably would once I see how the top look, and then do the bottom around the edges. But let this dry and come back and finish from there. I'll see y'all next time.